Utah Career Center project. Today is Thursday, July 23rd. Right now we're looking at the front of the building. You can see it's changed a lot in the last few months. We're trying to get ready for the start of school. Now we're standing in kind of the new lobby area for the new cosmetology area of the school. This space will be open to start this next school year. Come around the corner, kind of see how big this new cosmetology area is. So we got paint on the wall, cabinets going in. So right now we're standing in the new automated manufacturing lab here at Apollo. You can tell we're getting pretty far on this space. This has got to be turned over for this school year. This floor will be kind of a polished concrete flooring and have kind of the latest tools and technology. Okay, now coming from the main corridor. Many of you have ever been here. You remember this space that we're entering used to be a courtyard, but now, as you can see, we tied these two buildings together, the main school and the Adult Resource Center. This space will turn over around November. It'll be kind of a new lobby area for the adult program, and then also some new office space for the instructors. Okay, so right now we're on the back side of the school, or the east side, looking at the new concrete that we placed back here. I can see this is going to be the new motorcycle lot. We still have to stripe it, but all the concrete's been poured. And then we're looking down the old maintenance building, and then we got a road that going to head around the school.